So welcome back with another very important Excel trick. In fact, this is perhaps one of the most intelligent Excel tricks that I have seen. So the problem I'm facing right now is I have to extract the first name from this email here. So for example, I have to write SHERI from the first email address that is given, SHERI Sherry, that is the first name, and that is what I have to do all the way downwards, and there are 10,282 records. So you can definitely understand that this is something very difficult to do. I cannot do it manually. So there should be something in Excel that can extract, that can basically identify the pattern in data, and that can replicate the data in the cells below. So good for us, there is a given function in Excel. So what I need to do is that I will just click here and I will go to data and I will press flash fill. So now I press flash fill and you will see the magic happen. Excel will extract the first name based on the pattern, and you can see that Excel is absolutely right in every single cell. So if I go down, you can see that even in 10,282 row, it has correctly extracted the first name from the email address. And similarly, I need to extract the second name as well, and that is now Marts. And again I will keep my cursor here and I will go to this flash fill and I will click here, and you will see that Excel has automatically extracted the second name from the email address. That was amazing. And now I need to find out the domain as well. So here I will write Yahoo, and again I will press flash fill, and you can see that Excel will extract the email from here. And if you go to the bottom, you can see that Excel has correctly extracted the domains here were webmail. Excel has found that out. The domains here were Gmail. Excel has found that out. So Excel has quickly understood the pattern in data and has worked that out. So there was one last thing that was com. So if I just replicate the thing and I will just press on flash fill, you can see that Excel has quickly extracted all the data from domains as well. And if there was .NET, Excel has extracted that. If there was .com, Excel has extracted that as well. So that is something that is absolutely mind-blowing in Excel. And as long as your data has a predictable pattern, you can apply it anywhere. So you have this file in your resources. Try it yourself. It is absolutely funny to see this happening.